3 proven ways to make your biggest dreams happen. Did you know that your brain doesn't know the difference between what you imagine and what has actually happened? It's true. Neuroscience has proven it. Athletes and other types of performers have used the power of their imagination to overcome challenges and reach their goals for years. Why shouldn't you? So let's do an exercise. Start by closing your eyes, but don't fall asleep. It's the kind of eye closing where you're entirely aware of everything going on around you, but you're present in your own mind. Some may call it dreaming, but the difference is this kind of dreaming is active. You're going to envision what you want your life to look like. When you close your eyes and start thinking about what you want out of your life, what are the first things that come to mind? Hold on to those because we're going to bring those dreams to life with these 3 steps. 1. Allow yourself to dream. Your eyes are closed, your mind is wandering, and all of a sudden, it's put to a halt. It's in our nature to be hesitant about dreaming big because we don't want to fail or get hurt. But when you close down your dreams, you make it impossible to shoot for the stars. The next time you find yourself sucked into a vortex of dreaming, allow yourself to indulge in it. Then make those dreams concrete by thinking of the specifics. For example, let's say your big dream is to run a race. Dive deeper into that dream. Think about the type of competition, how long it is, and what it'll look like to cross the finish line. 2. Visualize it. We talked about the finish line, and let's really explore that. It's one thing to think about a dream as a remote possibility or something that would be fun to accomplish. It's another thing to visualize what it would feel like to reach that big dream. Actually feel the excitement and pride in your body. When you're thinking about the big picture goals you have, think about them more precisely. Ask these questions. What am I wearing? How old am I? What does it feel like to say, I did it? How do I celebrate? Who is celebrating with me? Those are just a few questions, but the list goes on. Visualizing gets you from a mere possibility to a reality. 3. Make it happen. The most natural step and the hardest step at the same time. The last step is to make it happen. Wake up early, write down your goals, put Post-its up on your mirror reminding you to keep going. Taking that step is critical, and it's challenging to do. If your dreams are worth it, though, it'll be a piece of cake.